Today's DIY is going to be a Walmart DIY, starting with a piece of lattice that I had at home that I will be cutting to size. You can also use a thin wooden strips in place of the PVC. I will be covering it with gold contact paper, and the link for all the items that I'll be using for this project is going to be down in the description box below. The main item that I'll be using for this DIY that I got from Walmart are plastic spoons. I got clear plastic spoons from Walmart, and they also sell spoons at the Dollar Tree. I call this a Walmart video because I did get these particular spoons from Walmart, but then you can also get yours from the Dollar Tree. I'll be needing a lot for this DIY project, so I'm going to go ahead now and glue on the clear spoons to the lattices. Like I said earlier, if you don't have PVC strips, you can also use thin wooden strips that has been cut down to size. I'm gluing on the spoons in this pattern, and then after I'm done, I'm going to be gluing more spoons using the same pattern but at a different length. I waited for it to dry for a bit, and then I flipped it over and added more spoons.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
I'm making a mini chandelier, and I need to have this connected to something in the middle that's going to hold the lighting. So I will be pre-drilling holes for the screws. For this DIY lighting, I'll be needing 2 of what I've just made, and that's what I did. I made 2. I also pre-drilled holes for the second one. I use screws that are 2 inches long. I'm going to leave the screws the way they are like this for now until I'm done with the item that I'll be using in the middle. For this next part, you can use Dollar Tree confetti to decorate the spoons. Now this is just an option. You can also use gold leaf as well. I got this from Michael's craft store, and I would prefer to use the gold leaf only because I want to give the spoons a particular effect. So I'll be using Mod Podge to apply the gold leaf to the spoons. I will take off what I can for now and then take off the rest much later when it's dry. Hold the lighting in the middle. I'll be using Dollar Tree plaques. And then I'm going to take off the wrappings and take it out and spray paint them gold. I'll be attaching what I made earlier to the plaques. To cover up the screws, I'm just going to use another PVC covered with gold contact paper on top of it. To cover up the sides, I'll be using pieces from a paper plate, and I'll be cutting out just the edges and attaching them to the sides. Now that the gold leaf is dried the way I want on the spoons, I'm going to be scraping off just a bit more, and I'm doing it and leaving little lines to give it some form of effect to make it look like shimmering, dripping gold. It looks much better now that the gold leaf is less. Now this is what it used to look like before, and this is not the look that I was going for, but now that it's less, I have exactly what I was looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and add remote control push lights to the plaques. I'm going to be having cup hooks right here in the middle for the chain. The chain was too short, so I decided to just use shower hooks for the cup hooks and then mounted the chain on the shower hooks to make it longer. It's really hard to tell that these are spoons from afar until you get really close. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.